Good morning, everybody. Hope you're well. Well, today's the last chance you have got to book the Pilates for Osteoporosis workshop with me tomorrow, and you will find out during that session if you are banking a surplus. So what do I mean by that? Well, in terms of bone remodeling, that is happening all the time in your body. Your body is laying down new bone, and it is reabsorbing bone from the body. So that is a process that is happening all the time. The bone is remodeling, and things get out of whack when we are reabsorbing more bone into the body than laying down new bone. That's when we end up with osteopenia and osteoporosis. And there are absolutely lifestyle things you can do to make sure you are laying down and banking a surplus, because that's what you want to do while you can. You want to bank that surplus, you want to build up your bone density as much as you can, because later in life it will start to fall off. That laying down of bone won't happen at the same level it does when you're younger, unfortunately. So you really need to know if you are banking a surplus of bone now, and you will find out all the ways to do that tomorrow. So if you've got any osteoporosis in your family, it's well worth looking at this workshop so you can avoid it. It is something that you can definitely work to avoid. So guys, I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. I'll post the link below. It's for Pilates teachers and it's for clients who either have osteopenia or osteoporosis or are at high risk. I'll tell you all the ways to bank your surplus, ways that you can improve your bone density, and we will do a class designed to help build bone density and reduce your risk of compression fractures, which is of course the big risk. So I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. I'll post the link below, and have a great day.